She walks the grass, darling, the channel. Harukun cinta kaya mahia, ya jalu hari caca. Aha itu pada cika, jadi kau punya hok letare. Renga bida, bisa petani kahe jusi, biodaya jadoi. Moja tadi kau tu cibi kaju. Moka aju haji, moka haju la kema. Kagasan aju gitu paja do, bumi haju be gitu paja do mo. Mesa patani jiro pakuda, jantung jakudo, hebu japa puwi tiga witare. Moka hela henju siya, haka hela jasida, hela si. Ya de gone palido, uto melo dada keme mosate.
Since the pride until the valley star, Apatani consciously is taking it far. Knows her roots, yeah, she's got the vibe. Sharing the wisdom of her ancient tribes. She's a dreamer, a leader with fire inside. Inspiring hearts, taking us on the ride. A woman of substance, beauty, and grace. Miss Apatani shining bright in the space. She's the rhythm of life, the beat of the drum, a melody of hope where dreams come from. The wisdom of elders is holds in her hand, guiding a people so stand. Her kindness flows like the tireless streams. Her presence is blessing her life full of dreams. A greater natural, strong and divine. Miss Apatani, your light will always shine.
Mesa patani jiro pakuda, jantung jakudo, hebu japa puwi tiga witare. Moka hela henju siya, haka hela jasida, hela si. Ya de gone palido, uto melo dada keme mosatare.
Yo, she's a symbol of love, the power of art, a story of resilience from her birth, not a heritage. She's keeping it real. Apatani pride, yeah, that's her deal. Look, preaches fields and her ancestral dies. Mr. Apatani is reaching the skies with a heart so big and vision so clear. She's the woman we cherish, the one we revere.
Hey, moka hali jasi, ahai kani mitare, kapyo yado. Oh moka apo, moka henju, moka dashu. Mome alfa, barupa, ajimpa ukichi. Misa patani mi, ayudai pa. Misa patani jiro pakuda, jantung jakudo, hebu japa puwi tiga witare. Moka hela henju siya, haka hela jasida, hela si. Ya de gone palido, uto melo dada keme mosatare.
Yeah, Miss Apatani shine on, shine bright. A cultural queen in the morning light. Miss Apatani, our pride, our song. Forever in zero, where you belong.